In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook ads lead generation campaign. Now, if you're new to the channel, we upload weekly videos on social media marketing and online marketing and heaps of other stuff. So make sure to subscribe and you won't miss our next video. Now let's do it. So to set up a lead generation campaign on Facebook ads, head to your ads manager and click on create a new ad, which will take you to this screen here. So we want to make sure we select this option here, which is the lead generation. This will drop you back down below and you can set your budget, make sure budget optimization, campaign budget optimization is switched on, and set your daily budget or lifetime budget if you like. So we'll set it to $10 for this example. Then we hit continue. So now we're on the ad set level of the campaign. So you can name your ad set here. Facebook will ask you to accept their lead ad conditions, which you'll do here. So just click on to view their terms, accept it, and you'll come back to this page. Once you've done that, scroll down and complete your targeting for your ads. So your countries that you want to target here, your age groups, your genders, and also detailed targeting for interests, other demographics and behaviors. You can do that all here as well. Once you've got your targeting confirmed, scroll down a bit further and decide on your placements. If you want Facebook to automatically send your ads to both Instagram and Facebook, you can keep it automatic. I normally do manual placements because I like to specifically set where I want my ads to appear. When you're doing a lead generation ad, you can only do this for Facebook and Instagram anyway, so not Messenger and Audience Network. So you could turn off Instagram if you do only want to target Facebook. You can also choose which devices that you want the ad to appear on. So for example, you could remove desktop if you like and just focus on mobile. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit further. Now you can either set an end date for your ad as well, or just continually run it and turn it off when you would like to do so. So then we'll head over to the next step of the ad. Okay, so we're now on the final page for creating our lead generation ad. So you can name the ad up here. And on this step, you'll notice the biggest difference with creating a lead generation ad, because you'll be actually creating the questions and the data that you want to capture for the people that you want to target. And you'll do that right down the bottom, so we'll get to that soon. Choose if you want to do carousel or single image or video. If you're not sure what carousel ad is, basically it's where you're using multiple images. You might have seen it yourself on Facebook, where you can scroll horizontally and see different images or videos. If you want to just run a single image or video, you can do that here, so select that option. Under media, this is where you'll actually select the photo or video you want to use. I've just used a generic photo for this as an example, and we'll scroll down a bit further. So you can see the example there for the photo. Now, this is where you'll place your primary ad copy. So this is the main text that will be in your ad. So we'll just write ad example, and you'll see that appear above the, didn't spell very well, above the ad here. You can then do a headline as well. These are both optional, the headline and description, but if you do put the headline, you could see sample headline, and that will appear down here below, just here. So this is where the headline appears. All right, then you can choose the button that you want to appear here. So this will depend on what sort of ad you're running or product you're trying to sell. There's quite a few options. And for a lead generation ad, these are the type of ones you would want anyway, like apply now, book now, download, get offer. There's quite a few to choose from, so select what one you want to use. Scroll down a bit further. Okay, so now we're going to set up the actual lead generation form. So we'll click on new form. Now you can choose two options here, a form which is much quicker to fill out, the more volume form, or the higher intent form, which will then add an extra step for the person you're targeting to review their information. So it's up to you which one you want to use. We'll keep it on more volume for now. You can then click here to do your intro, and you'll see on the right hand side here, this is what will be appearing when the person clicks on your ad. This will then come up, and this is where they'll answer the questions and submit the form. So this is optional. You don't have to do an intro. You can turn that off if you want, but if you do turn it on, you can just describe what people are going to receive from your offer. So you can do that if you want. So I'll just turn it off for now, just for the example. Then the next steps to do your questions. There's already a couple pre-filled for you. So you have an email to capture and a full name. And you can also write here what you want them to do. So you could write, please complete the below form, or whatever you want to say, and you can see that updated here. If you want to add some other data to capture, you can just click on add category, and you can see the different categories and fields you can do here. So maybe user information, full name comes up automatically, but if you want to do last name and first name separate, you can do that. Contact fields, you can add phone numbers, street addresses, cities, postcodes. There's a whole bunch of data you can capture if you want to. But as I said, by default, the email and full name will come up regardless. So once you've done that, you can then minimize that and go add your privacy policy. So this is just a link to your website's privacy policy, which you need to add in. Now you do need to add in something, otherwise you won't be able to submit and finish the ad. And then the thank you screen as well. So this is the screen that the person will see once they've completed their form, they've put in their email, they've put in their name, they've clicked confirm. That'll take them to this screen, and so you can write whatever you want. Thank you for submitting your information. We'll be in contact with you soon, or you will receive this offer soon. Whatever you want to write, you can put here. So you would put the thank you text here and a bit about what they can expect in the description. You can also add your website if you like. So you can put your link to your website here to direct them to your website after if you want. So once that's done and you've finished filling all the sections, click save and then finish. Now I won't worry about doing that for this example. It'll then save your form here. Then you can scroll down. Of course, you can turn on your pixel if you've set that up and click confirm, and that will put your ad into review. So that's how you set up your lead generation campaign. Now, there are other ways. You don't have to use Facebook's form. You can use what's called a landing page as well, and there's quite a few websites out there that can help you build a landing page quite quickly. If you're interested in me doing a video on showing you how to use a landing page to capture customer data, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to do that. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope it's helped you to be able to set up a lead generation campaign for yourself. Again, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.